in this part 3 of straight lines, I let you know about the equation of a line in various forms. So let's start with the equations of horizontal and vertical lines. To understand this concept, let us suppose we have this Cartesian plane in which this is the origin and this is x or x dash axis, this is y or y dash axis. First of all, equation of x axis. On x axis y is equals to 0. Therefore, equation of x axis is always equals to y is equals to 0. And in the same way, equation of y axis, because on this y axis we have x is equals to 0. Therefore, equation of y axis is x is equals to 0. Now, equation of a line parallel to x axis. This is x axis parallel to x axis. If we will take this line L, now because we are getting the constant distance a, if we will take this a at every point, that's why, and this is parallel to x axis, that's why equation of this line is y is equals to a. Second thing, if we have a line which is below to the origin and we are taking this distance a only, then this become only y is equals to minus a. It means we have the two types of distances, or we can say equation of line. One is equation of line parallel to x-axis. If it is above the origin, then this is y is equals to a, and if it is below to the origin, then y is equals to minus a. Now, equation of line parallel to y-axis. For parallel to y-axis, let us suppose again this is the origin and these are the same thing. Now, parallel to y-axis, this will be the line, and later, because this is at a constant distance b, if we will consider this distance is b and which is equals to the abscissa, that's why equation of this line is x is equals to b. And if it is left to the origin, then this line equation will become, what this become? This line of equation become x is equals to minus b. So we have these two types of equations if line is parallel to y-axis. Now, equation of a line in point slope form. To understand this concept, let us suppose we have to find the equation of a line whose slope m is given and this line is passing through any given point x1, y1. For this, let us suppose any point r on this line which is equals to xy. Now we have the 2 points and slope is also given. It means how will we find out the slope? M is equals to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Therefore, equation of line is given by y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So this is the line, this is the equation of a line in point slope form. Now equation of a line in 2 points form. In 2 points form, we have to remember this thing. We have a line in which it is already given, it is passing through the 2 points. Let us suppose the coordinates of this point will be PQ. This is P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2. Let us suppose any point on line is R which is equals to xy. Now, because these 2 points are given, therefore slope M is given by y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Now, according to the point slope form, equation of line is given by, what is this? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of a line in 2-point form. Now let's start to do the questions related to this explanation. Now in question number 1a part, we have to find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, 4 and which is parallel to x-axis. 1, 4 means, let us suppose this is the point 1, 4. Now we have to find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis and passing through this point. Let us suppose this line is L. Now because this distance we will get as a 4 and this is parallel to x-axis, therefore equation of L is x is parallel to x-axis, therefore equation is y is equals to 4, and this is the answer. Now look at this thing. In B part, find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, 4 and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Inclined at an angle of 60 degree means slope is equals to m is equals to tan 60 which is root 3. Therefore equation of line passing through 1, 4 is passing through 1 4 is, now because it is passing through this point and slope is given, therefore we will apply the equation of a line in point slope form. Y minus y1, m means root 3, x minus x1, and this x1 is 1. So this is the equation of the required line. Now let's start with the C part. In this C part we have to find the equation perpendicular. C part, the perpendicular from origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2 9. Find the equation of line L. Let us suppose this is the line L. This is the origin whose coordinate 0 0, and perpendicular from this origin to this line is minus 2 9. We have to find the equation of this line L. First of all, we will find out slope of line OP. Let us suppose this is m. M is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It means this become minus 9 upon 2. Let slope of L be m. Let slope of line L be m1. Now for perpendicular lines, what is the rule for perpendicular lines? M into m1 is equals to minus 1. It means m1 is equals to minus 1 upon m. It means what this become 2 upon 9. So this is the part. Now therefore equation of line L is given by y minus y1. It means y minus 9, m1 2 by 9, x minus x1. It means x minus 2 means plus 2. It means 9y minus 81 is equals to 2x plus 4. It means 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equals to 0. Now let's start with the D part. In this D part, we have to find out that in what ratio the line joining from minus 1 to 1 and 5 7 divided by the line x plus y is equals to 4. Now first of all, this is minus 1 1 and 5 7. Now we have to find out in which ratio this line is divided by this line x plus y is equals to 4. This is the D part. Let us suppose this is, let L divides AB in K ratio 1. In K ratio 1. This is the P point. Let us suppose this is K and this is 1. Now by section formula, coordinates of P. So for this we have to find out, how will we find out? K into 5, m into x2, 5k plus 1 into minus 1, it means minus 1 upon k plus 1, and this is what this becomes 7k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Now you will say because P lies on L, therefore what this become 5k minus 1 upon k plus 1, and this is plus y. It means 7k plus 1 upon k plus 1 is equals to 4. Now after taking the LCM, 5k minus 1 plus 7k plus 1 is equals to 4k plus 4. It means 12k plus 2, 12k, because this minus minus cancel out, 4k plus 4. It means 8k is equals to 4. It means k is equals to 1 by 2. It means the required ratio is 1:2, and this is the answer. So in this way we have to do the practice of more questions, and don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.